Welcome back, students. Grade 12 CBSE Solid State NEET question series. First series, which of the following has maximum value of cation and anion ratio? KCl, NaCl, CaF2 and MgCl2. Out of three options, option A, KCl, option B, NaCl, option D, MgCl2. So the size of anion, Cl minus, is all same. But when you compare to CaF2 and MgCl2, for example, it is alkaline earth metals, this calcium and magnesium or belongs to second A group elements, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So when you see from top to bottom, magnesium is a smaller in size of cation and calcium is a larger size. So larger size of cation, larger will be the cation and the anion ratio, and smaller will be the anion. So in CaF2 and MgCl2, fluorine has a smaller size compared to Cl. So the anion is very smaller size, but calcium cation is a larger size. So the ratio of between a cation and anion ratio is maximum for the larger size of cation of Ca. Let us see the next question. How many units are present in 5 gram of crystal AB? Formula mass of AB equal to 40, having a rock salt type structure, and Na is nothing but Avogadro number. Na by 2, Na by 10, Na, that is Avogadro number by 2, Avogadro number by 10, Avogadro number, and none of this. Formula mass is nothing but molecular mass. How many units? So here they are asking how many, I mean quantity. So the general formula of how many unit Q quantity is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. Number of moles is nothing but weight by molecular weight. In the question, weight 5 gram is given, molecular mass 40 is given. So 5 by 40 is nothing but 1 by 8. So the number of moles, substitute the value of number of moles, the quantity, how many units, number of units cell Q is equal to 1 by 8 into Avogadro number Na. So this is given as a crystal of rock salt. Rock salt is nothing but sodium chloride. Sodium chloride belongs to face-centered cubic. So if it is a simple cubic, that number of unit cell unit cell Z is equal to 1. For BCC 2, for FCC 4. So Z is equal to 4 hat. So divided by 4. So 1 into Na, 8 into 4, 32. Na by 32. So there is no Na by 32 in these 4 options. So none of these answers. Or sometimes it may be given as a value of 1 by 32. 1 by 32 is nothing but 0.031 Na is the Avogadro number. Let us see the next question. Next series, third one. An alloy of copper, silver and gold is found in which copper atom constitute cubic closed pack, CCP. It is CCP or HCP is nothing but face-centered cubic. And silver atoms are located at the edge center. And the AU, gold atom is present in the body center. The alloy will have the formula CuAgAu or Cu4Ag4Au or Cu4Ag3Au, Cu4Ag6Au. So here for copper, it is, I said, it is a cubic, closed cubic packing, that is CCP or HCP. It is belongs to FCC, I said. So here it is a face center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One front of the cube and the other thing is back of the cube. So almost we should take a number of copper atoms present in the corners is nothing but 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 1. And CCP is nothing but FCC, that is nothing but 6 by 2. I mean FCC, you just imagine one room. For example, classroom. The room means 4 walls. That all the 4 walls touch the roof as well as the floor. So what? The touch the roof and the floor is considered as a 2. And the 4 walls are touching both the roof and the floor is considered as a 6. So it is share that 6 by 2. It is equal to 3. So this is 1 plus 3 equal to 4 is the formula for the copper. Cu4. Next term, the question they have given, silver atoms are located at the edge center. So edge center is nothing but 12 into 1 by 4, 12. So all these are called as the edge center. Here 1, here 1, here 1. Like that 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Totally 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So 12 went to 1 by 4 is nothing but 3. Then body center, gold is given as a body center. It is only one body. So it is only one atom is present in the center, at the center of the body. So gold is equal to 1. So the formula for copper is 4. The formula of silver is 3. The formula of gold is 1. The formula is Cu4, Ag3 and Au. The option is Cu4, Ag3 and Au. Third option, C option. Question number 4. The cubic unit cell of the metal, the molecular mass of the metal is given 63.55 gram per mole. As the edge length of 362 p, it is nothing but picometer. Its density is 8.92 gram per centimeter cubed. The type of the unit cell. So the type of the unit cell, we should find out if it is a simple cubic, so that number of atom to be 1. If it is a face-centered cubic, number of atoms Z is equal to 4. If it is a body-centered means the number of atoms, I mean unit cell in the atom, that is Z is equal to 2. If it is simple cubic, 1. If it is a face-centered cubic, 4. If it is a body-centered cubic, is equal to 2. If you get these any one of the answer, we can find out the type of the unit cell, whether a simple cubic or face-centered cubic or it is a body-centered cubic. So the formula is rho is equal to Zm by A cube into Na. Rho is equal to density and Z is equal to number of atoms in the unit cell, and M is a molar mass. It is given 63.55, and A cube is nothing but edge length is given 362 picometer. So that is A cubed, and Na is Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So substitute, we should find out what is the type of the unit cell Z. So Z is equal to rho Na A cubed by M. So here the given value is density, they have given 8.92 gram per centimeter cube, and Avogadro number we know 6.023 10 to the power 23, and edge length A value 362 picometer. So A is equal to 362 picometer. 1 picometer is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 12 meter. So this meters to be changed into the centimeter. So there is the density is given in a gram per centimeter. So 362 into 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeter, because meter to be converted to centimeter multiplied by 100, that is nothing but 10 to the power 2. So here 10 to the power of minus 12 into 10 to the power of 2 means 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeter. Substituting the values of density 8.92 into Avogadro number into A cubed value 362 the whole cube into 10 to the power of minus 10 the whole cube is nothing but 30. Molar mass is 63.5. By solving this, we are getting the Z value is equal to 4. If it is the Z value is 4, is called FCC, face-centered cubic. Then edge length of the unit cell of the metal having the molecular weight 75 gram per mole is 5 Armstrong degree, which crystallizes in a cubic lattice. If the density is 2 gram per cc, cubic centimeter, cc, then find the radius of the metal atom. The Avogadro number, instead of being 6.023, they are given as a 6 into 10 to the power of 23. The given answers, give the answers in a picometer. So the options are 217 picometer, 210 picometer, and 220 picometer, and 205 picometer. So the edge length is A is given as a 5 Armstrong degree. An Armstrong degree is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. So 5 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter, convert into centimeter into 10 to the power of 2. So it is a 10 to the power of minus 8. So 5 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. That is A value. We know what is the rho value. Rho is equal to Zm divided by A cubed into Na. So Z is equal to rho A cube Na divided by M. So the density is given as a 2. So 2, here Avogadro number is 6 into 10 to the power of 23. A cubed value is nothing but 5 into 10 to the power of minus 8 the whole cube divided by molar mass is given as a 75 gram per mole. That is, solving all this, we are getting Z value is equal to 2. If it is a simple cubic, Z is equal to 1. If it is a FCC, Z is equal to 4. If it is a BCC, Z is equal to 2. So if the answer of the Z is equal to 2 means it is assumed to be a body-centered cubic, BCC. So if it is a BCC means we should find out the radius of the metal. So radius of the metal R is equal to root 3a by 4 for a BCC. So at the back I have given a flow chart to you. This is very easy for you to by heart this. I have given a unit cell name. It is a simple cubic, face-centered cubic and body-centered cubic. If it is a pure element, radius is equal to d by 2. So for edge length, simple cubic 2r. If it is a distance, d is nothing but a. If it is a radius, a by 2. In case of face-centered cubic FCC, root 2 into 2r. In short, substituting root 2 value in 1.414 into 2, we are getting 2.828 r. So FCC distance value is nothing but a by root 2, or we can consider 1 by root 2 into a is nothing but 0.707 a in short. So radius of the FCC is a by 2 into root 2. 1 by 2 into root 2 consistency value 0.3535 a. So body-centered cubic 4r by root 3. Or we can multiplying all this 4 by 1 by root 3 value 2.303 r value. And for our d distances root 3 a by 2, or in short 0.866 a. And root 3 a by 4 for our radius or 0.433 a. So please by heart this FCC, we just see 2.828 r, 2.309 r. Here for distance 0.707A, 0.86A, 0.7, 0.8, here 0.3 and here 0.4. So here the radius of the face-centered cubic 0.3535A and here 0.433A. You please by heart this, it will be easy for you to find out the formula as well as the value of the radius and the distance and edge length, everything. So substituting here in the question they have asked z is equal to 2 for a BCC. So for BCC, radius they ask you to find out radius. So root 3a by 4, or we can substitute of 0.433a. A value we know, that edge length value we know, and multiply by 0.433. Easily we can find out the R value, radius value, or we should substitute of root 3 into a value 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by 4. Substituting all these values, it will take long process. So simplifying all these values as a consistency value 0.433 and a value. Here this is what here it is given now. They have asked you to find out in a picometer. So no need to change anything. So I mean no conversion. So we take the Armstrong degree itself and finally we will convert it into picometer. So 0.433 A. So A value is 5. So 2.165 Armstrong degree, because for A value is in Armstrong degree. So when you keep this point after 2 decimal, when you go and keep the point in the anti-clockwise direction, it is minus. If it is a keep a point, this is a clockwise direction, it is a plus. If you keep a point this side or anti-clockwise, we are keeping after 2 decimals. So it is a 216.5. So it is a anti-clockwise direction. How many decimals we are keeping the point? After 2. So at into 10 to the power of minus 2. And already it is 10 to the power of minus 10. Adding all this 10 to the power of minus 12. So 10 to the power of minus 12 is nothing but 1 picometer. 10 to the power of minus 12 meter is nothing but picometer. So 216.5 picometer is the finalized answer. So approximately 217 picometer. Thank you students. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe students.